What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this one I'm going to be going over a Euro NZD sell that I caught on one of the higher time frames. I think this is a 4-hour trade. Yeah, as you can see here, a 4-hour trade. Yeah, nice sell position. Didn't quite hit my final target. I actually hit a take profit overnight. For you guys that don't know, overnight, I always just go for TP1. TP1 overnight, put the TP1 on, you know, just in case we come down and doesn't quite hit that final target, then we bounce all the way back up to entry, then I missed out on the position. So I always just say TP1 because TP1 means a winning trade. We're already winning, you know, we're only looking for target 1 at the end of the day anyway. Target 1, winning trade, right? TP2 is a bonus. So let's hop straight into this. So as you can see here, really, really nice plain sailing trade from the top over here all the way down to this TP1 level of the 2.01225 with that final target there of the 2.00111 areas, 2.0 flat areas, as you can see here. So how was I seeing what I was seeing, and why was I seeing what I was seeing? So as you can see, let's just get the EMAs off the screen for the moment. We got a huge down sweep over this side here, and this was due to NZD news. So NZD news came out. It was obviously strong for the NZD, and then as you can see, we came down and then we've hit this massive trend line that we've got here. As you can see, massive 4-hour channel trend line. We got 1 touch, we got 2 touch, and I'm pretty sure we get more down here yet, 3 touches. We really, really like to follow this bullish structure. So this is what I was looking at here. We've got that NZD news, which has brought some obviously strength into the New Zealand dollar. We've come down, we've rejected this level. And then look, coming to the 1 hour down here, we've actually respected this level here and respected this level up here. So what I was looking for here is initially the break and close below this level here to obviously take this down to the TP1 at this level, TP2 at this level. However, this up here did not give me an entry. As you can see, we blasted straight through this level. So my next level here was looking at this level here. So I waited for the break and close underneath this level here. So I was in at about this level here right underneath. When it broke and closed below this level, I'm in, as you can see, consolidated for a little bit. In a little bit of drawdown at this point, and then we eventually came down, and then as you can see, it hit my TP overnight, literally bang on at like 1 AM, as you can see. So this could have bounced, and we could have seen this come all the way back up towards my entry, right? Which I didn't want, which is why I got taken out of that TP1 level. And ever since then, we've actually just been chilling around this TP1 level. Did get almost close to that TP2 level, but as you guys know, I was out at this TP1 level here. So let's see this trade actually playing out. And obviously how I got into this, this was a higher time frame trade, as you guys can see. So let's get the replay tool out and let's have a look from this level. So let's move this. Let's move this now, because we know that we are from this level here. But obviously I was looking at this point here. So as you can see, so we're at this trend line now. We do get the rejection off. We never get the break above this level that I've identified at this level here. We've got that entity strength. We start coming down. We chill on this level here. I'm not in at this point. I am waiting for the break of at least this level, obviously for the sells to the downside. We do not get the break of that level. We come up, respect the trend on the other side. We do get the break. We come back underneath. We wick this level again. Again, proven this massive level here at the 2.02193 areas. We then come up, respect the trend line once again. So this is why at this point I was looking for the sells from this level here. So looking for the path, looking for the rejection of the trend line, break underneath, then go. That's what I was initially looking for at this area, because we got the rejection of this trend line, really, really nice bearish wick right off these levels here, which would have been our SL levels. Didn't get the break underneath, as you can see. Completely blasted through, which is annoying. We couldn't get the entry, but we already know our initial entry was at that 2.02193 area. So that was what I was looking for at this point. We've got the break, close underneath. I am in at this point here. Consolidate, as I said, a little bit of drawdown, and then we get that plain sailing move to the downside there. For getting my 1-to-1 at this level here, obviously 1-to-1 SL and TP. So that is absolutely fine. And then as you can see, we never get to that TP2 level, but obviously I'm out at that TP1 anyway. So it doesn't really matter too much. And then she can do whatever she wants to do now, because obviously we're out the trade at TP1, winning trade. So absolutely happy days. So really, really nice plain sailing 4-hour/1 hour trade there. With obviously this position still playing out. Really, really nice. Plain sailing, as you can see, literally just using price action, my strategy, and a few confirmations. You can see, look at the EMAs over the top here, just pushing our trade down, and then obviously breaking underneath absolutely everything here, and just continuing to flow the way we want it to off the back of that NZD news. And talking about news, this flows really nicely into our market platform, going over the fundamentals. Let's have a look. Euro NZD. So as you can see, we're on the amazing market platform now, which is going to give us everything that we need in a click of a button. Our live news updates. It's just updating now the bias and compiling everything in the world into one place. And as you can see, high time frame bias is slightly bearish. Intraday bias is slightly bearish. What supports the bias? As you can see, RBNZ, hawkish cut signals, easing cycle end. NZD's strongest major currency last week on rate guidance, and the RBNZ terminal rate at 2.25% reduces further cut risk, which is why we're getting that NZD strength. Literally, as you can see, you saw with your own two eyes in a click of a button, giving us all of our fundamentals in one place, which obviously then we can use to line up with our technicals, right? Which is absolutely a dream come true. So make sure you guys are absolutely non-negotiably using market AI alongside your technical analysis. It's absolutely going to transform the way that you trade, being able to have all your fundamentals all in a click of a button, right? And it's forever expanding, forever getting better. This is, I can't even imagine how good market AI is going to be in like another year or two's time. It's just absolutely mind-boggling. It's mind-boggling as it is right now. But yeah, obviously technicals on point, fundamentals on point, thanks to market AI. And a winning trade as always. You know, I've had a lot of messages that you guys are, you know, a few of you guys are struggling, going in loops, not really being able to find a strategy that suits you and your personal lifestyle. Now, great thing about my strategy is it can fit around your lifestyle anyway. You can scalp with this strategy, you can intraday with the strategy, you can swing with this strategy. So if you click the link in my bio, in the description of this video, let's hop on a game plan call. I'm going to create a custom game plan suited for you and your specific lifestyle, and how you can get the price action strategy, the same strategy that you see that I use every single day, week in and week out, to catch high probability setups into the market. And if you guys want to see me trade these completely free of charge, I have a completely free group. You can access that in the description of this video as well. You click that link, it's going to put you direct access into this group, and you can follow my trades live, completely free, see everything before you ever jump in. All right. But other than that, guys, feel free to reach out in the comments. Feel free to reach out to me on Instagram for any questions. I'm happy to help you guys. But other than that, another plain sailing trade, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.